Hello guys, welcome back to my page. In today's video guys, we're making Yamarita fried yam. Yamarita is another way to make your fried yam. The difference between this method and your regular fried yam is that you're coating this one with flour and egg. As you can see, I'm already adding my spices to my flour. Added black pepper, ginger powder, garlic powder, seasoning powder and salt. Mix and set aside. Next, I'll parboil my yam for 5 minutes guys. I'll take it out and let it cool down. After they must have cooled down, I'll start coating it with some flour. Just the way I'm doing it here, right guys? I'll repeat the process until I am done coating the yam. Next, I will add my ingredients to my eggs. Guys, I'm using 3 large eggs. I've added seasoning powder, green bell pepper, onions, and some habanero pepper. I'll mix very well until they are well combined. Added some salt, mix again, and I will set this aside guys. Time to dip the yam into the egg mixture. Make sure you mix it very well guys. If you want that delicious crispy yamarita, you dip your yam into the eggs and cover it very well. Okay, this is the secret of delicious yamarita. I will do this until I am done. Next, I will add some onions to the hot oil to give it that delicious flavor. And I'll start dipping the yam to the hot oil. I'll fry until they are well fried. Flip to the other side and let the other side cook as well. Guys, this recipe is so delicious, honestly guys. If you're on a diet, this recipe is not for you. Yes, if you want to lose some pounds, this recipe is definitely not for you. Yes guys, because it requires a whole lot of oil to make this recipe. You can see the amount of oil I'm using. Okay guys, our yamarita is ready guys to enjoy. You can have this with any sauce of your choice. I'm enjoying mine with some hot sauce. Yes guys, thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, like and share this video. Bye bye guys, see you on my next one.